What's going on, guys? So I'm going to be going over my Bitcoin analysis for the day, my overall outlook on the markets. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so currently this is my trade setup that I'm looking at right now, and I'm currently in. I did call this trade out on June 21st on this trading group that I'm a part of. It's called Multi-Vision Traders. We go over crypto, forex, indices. So if you guys are interested with that, definitely click the link in the description and it'll take you right into the Discord. But basically, I was talking about getting into this trade a few days ago, and so far it's just been consolidating, not really pushing to the upside. I'm not really breaking anything at the moment, but it hasn't really dropped down below it, and that is a very interesting point, because right now we're looking at the daily. This zone is a very interesting zone for me, and I'm gonna go over that why. So with Bitcoin, this right here was an interesting zone, and we've been hitting the zone a few times. So it's basically around the 30K level to get some nice buying opportunities, and then we did dip below it and then bounce right back up. But then news, pandemic, and everything started going around, so that definitely affected the market. We did drop down, and right now what we're looking at is this zone right here. The reason why I'm going to highlight this zone is because this is a very important zone. So if you guys remember what happened on November of 2020, and you guys were following the media, there was some crazy stuff and news going on about some big companies purchasing Bitcoin during this time. I'm not gonna say who or what. If you guys want to get into that, definitely I can make a video for that, but I'm not going to be going over that because, yeah. Anyways, during this time, that happened, and we got a really strong push to the upside with that news following that month. And right now, we are back at the zone. It was definitely a good buying opportunity. So we're looking at it right now. The market came down, touched the zone. But currently, I did get into this trade, and this is a key point right here. So I do look at the RSI levels, and the market's oversold. When looking at the RSI right now, when it did really low the 30 level, it was right here, and this also aligned with this support right here. So currently this is what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at any lower zones. I know there are zones that are lower and people are looking at targets that are lower, but I'm currently looking at where we're at and what the data is showing me right now. So basically this is what I'm trading right now, and this is support I'm looking at. If we do break below the zone, I'm going to be looking into getting into other trades, but overall I've been dollar cost averaging every single week as far as Bitcoin. Right now, I do believe that the summer is a good time to be accumulating more cryptocurrency. As of right now, I'm not looking into dabbling into other cryptocurrencies. I'm mainly just been focusing on getting into Bitcoin and Ethereum, mainly just Bitcoin. But same thing with indices. I have been entering some trades with indices, but overall, I do believe that you need to be looking at the overall markets as the indices and the S&P to get a clear indication of where we're all going and headed towards. Bitcoin's been mirroring S&P, the indices, a lot, so I've been getting a lot of my trades from that as well. Just some extra confirmations. Overall, though, how I'm looking at the market right now is I am bullish, and I do think that we might start getting some sort of relief in the coming up weeks. We've definitely been oversold for a good while now, and I'm overall bullish. Like I said, me personally, this is my thoughts only. We if we do go lower, then we're gonna keep buying. We're gonna keep buying more, and we might even start looking into getting to some sells. This market is very crazy. Overall, the world is a very crazy world that we live in. But right now, what I'm doing is buying. And if we do look lower, if we do break below the zone, then I'm gonna start looking into some sells. But right now, I am looking into this buy as I'm in right now. If it plays out, cool. If it doesn't, it is what it is. We're gonna get into another trade, and we're gonna keep trading this. But overall, as far as investments and long-term investing with Bitcoin, if you're looking at this at a macro level and long-term, I'd keep buying. Every single week, every single month, just buying a little bit. Other than that, I hope you guys have got a good analysis and idea of my thoughts, and I don't know, maybe another confirmation for yourself. But yeah, you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.